Namaskara, my dear ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing today? Welcome to a short presentation on doHow. I will start with my background, our journey and assignments. I will then introduce you to the excellence practices and conclude with our programs. After an enriching corporate career of 26 years with Bosch, a German multinational world-class company, I started Samuthána in 2013 for creating exceptional leaders and world-class companies. We have been helping individuals and companies for achieving growth by improving their performance in the relevant areas using doHow, a Socratic methodology developed by me for on-the-job mentoring, revenue growth, on-time and full delivery, and leadership development, leading to execution excellence from vision to reality based on the maturity assessments either with the EFQM excellence model, doHow Smart Lean Performance System, or the doHow Prosperity Chakras. Based on the assessment, we articulate the purpose and define the rules of the game for a daily pledge, the first excellence practice, especially relevant today with so much of clutter driving us to get distracted and forget the basics. Just the pledge will not do. Audit and containment is the second excellence practice for making sure that the outcome delights all the stakeholders with our forgetful, mistake-prone brain. Audit and containment are an integral part of the DNA of even a world-class, excellent organization. Finally, training and retraining combined with focused continual improvement based on the Pareto principle, vital few, trivial many, which also means less is more. Again, regular training and retraining provides a platform for rapidly implementing change, the only constant in today's world. Achieving excellence, operational excellence, is easy. A daily pledge with the purpose and rules of the game, with the entire team, followed by audit and containment, concluding in training and retraining with focused continual improvement, is the easy secret recipe for excellence. We offer training, workshop, handholding, transformation, and customized mentoring programs for prosperity. We welcome you to perform a self-assessment to identify your weakest chakra and your next immediate focus area in your career, startup, or business. Also, check out the free content in our YouTube channel and website. Otherwise, use the link in the description to book a free chat with me for a different perspective on your challenges. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.